Hey there DIY enthusiasts, welcome to Solar Wholesale, where we're all about empowering you to harness the power of the sun. Today we're diving into the nitty-gritty of self-installing solar panels and avoiding the common mistakes that could throw shade on your solar success. First things first, let's talk about the beginning stage. It's like laying the groundwork for your solar dreams. Picture this as the foundation of your masterpiece. Accurate proposals start here, and the site survey is that golden ticket. During the site survey, nail those measurements. We're talking proper pictures of roof truss spacings and clear communication about where you want those solar panels. Oh, and don't forget to check if you've got sufficient attic space. It's the little details that make a big difference. Now on to the design and permitting stage. When approving your plan set, take a moment to visualize the installation. Changes are easier here. Check that panels, AC disconnects, service panels, and electrical runs are all in the correct place. And hey, don't overlook the basics like your name and address either. They do matter. When filling out that application, remember that you're the expert. We're here for your questions, so don't play the guessing game. Approval might take days to months, and each application is as unique as your thumbprint. Now, fast forward to the installation stage. Measure twice, but cut once, literally. Map out the equipment on your roof beforehand and resist the urge to pre-cut rail unless absolutely necessary. Your system's success hinges on following the plan set that we provide. Now, when it comes to the success of monitoring your system, make sure you check with your project manager the proper procedure in setting up your monitoring account. Also, pay special attention to the inverter instructions. It's like a recipe for solar success. So a common mistake that we get when using the AP Systems microinverters, their trunk cable does come with a protective plastic piece. Make sure you remove that when you're doing your install, as it does not allow it to plug in. Time to talk shipping. When your kit arrives, inspect it like your life depends on it. Sign that paperwork with caution. If there's even a hint of possible damage, scribble possible damage next to your name. Your kit ships 3 to 5 business days after you make your final payment, so plan accordingly. Notify us if you can't receive it, as holding charges might sneak up on you. You've got 3 days to play detective and check for any damages on your kit. If anything's amiss, give us a shout. We've got your back. We've got your back. And there you have it, solar superheroes. Follow these tips, avoid the common pitfalls, and soon you'll be basking in the glory of your self-installed solar oasis. Remember, we're just a call away for any questions. Happy solaring.